Hi! In front of me is TCL 206 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this device. First of all, you need to click on Play Store, tap on the search bar and type in iOS Launcher. Then install this free app, this one, from this developer and select Open. After that, select while using the app, tap on Allow and click Home button. Then you need to access device's settings and choose Apps section. Over here. After that, choose Default Apps, click on Home app and set up your iOS Launcher by clicking on it. After that, select Got it, and as you can see, Apple layout was applied successfully on my TCL. But you can always just switch between your layouts by going into device's settings, choosing Apps again, Default Apps and Home app. Lastly, click on Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!